So previously we've seen that we have corrupted our environment over here. So this environment that I created when MPLv2 has been corrupted. And the reason for this is because we have been trying to remove or uninstall a module. And this module is matplotlib, but it was used by our code and we needed to reinstall it. So what we did was we did the removal using the following command over here. So pip uninstall matplotlib with a yes flag over here to force it to uninstall, because the yes command is run within a Python Jupyter notebook inside VS Code. So you need to supply a yes command over here to remove it. So the issue was that then we realized we actually did need matplotlib and we installed it. But what we didn't do was we ran our code prior to uninstalling it. So before we uninstalled it, what we should have done is restarted the kernel over here by clicking on this button, but we didn't. So we ended up corrupting, and you can see here that module not found, and it's got all sorts of weird errors such as RC setup, API, and so on. And you can see this goes on, and we get some weird error to say matplotlib backend registry is not a module that's been found. So how do you recover from this situation? The easiest way to recover is you switch over to another environment. So you can just click on this label here of the environment, and what you'll get is you will get a drop down to choose from, and you can see the currently selected one is the Winv MPL version 2. But let's say we want to recover ourselves to an earlier environment. We could do that, or what we can do, we can create a new environment. So we'll click on select another kernel, and we will select Python environments over here, and then we are going to create a new environment called Winv manage virtual environments created using Winv. So we will do that, and then we will select 64-bit Python 3.11, and we can name our environment. So in this instance, we'll just call it recovered. So this is our recovered environment, and we are going to press enter, and then we're going to skip the installation of the packages. And this, now you can see down here, it's saying creating a virtual environment named Winv recovered. And what you can see is a new environment has gone into our machine learning folder. So we've got that environment created here. What we can do is we can install our Python packages. So we'll let the interactive Python kernel to be installed. So we will wait for that. This may take a while to install, so you just need to be patient. Okay, now that that has installed, what we can do is we can install matplotlib package over here. So we'll use pip %pip. Remember, this is a magic command. So use %pip install and the module name. So if I run this, and you can see this is now running and it's executing forward here. So this is downloading everything from the internet if it's not already cached. So you can see it's still trying to install over here. So this is still running, and you can see the indication over here as well. And now it's successfully installed, and we've got a green check mark here. So if we scroll down here, what we should find is it's successfully installed some packages, and you can see it's installed various packages, but one of the key ones, of course, that we are interested in is this one, matplotlib 3.10.7. So this is the latest version. And now if we run our code again, so if we clear all the outputs, try and run this code over here, and you can see that our code works and we get the desired output. So our code was successfully executed here, and we've got our graph generated. So this is how you recover from a corrupted Python virtual environment.